my name is Clara and I'm a UHN STEM Pathways summer student. In honor of International Youth Day, I'm going to be asking my fellow STEM Pathways summer students what their aspirations are for their future. Follow me! Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Rosie.
And what is your aspiration?
My aspiration is to be a cardiothoracic surgeon.
My name's Harris.
And what is your aspiration?
To pursue a career that helps people.
Hi, I'm Mia. My aspiration is to advocate for people and make a positive change in the world.
My name is Sonia. My aspiration is to become a surgeon.
My name is Ilya. My aspiration is to help people live healthier lives in any possible way.
My name is Istaha. My aspiration is to work in medicine and make a positive impact in my patients' lives.
My name is Jabril. My aspiration is to be a pediatric neuroradiologist.
My name is Yavi. My aspirations are to become a cardiothoracic surgeon and help children around the world.
My name is Imran. My aspiration is to make a meaningful contribution in the future of healthcare.
My name is Elizabeth. My aspiration is to provide compassionate care and make a difference every day.
Thanks everyone for sharing your aspirations. This International Youth Day, we're celebrating curiosity, innovation, and the future of STEM here at UHN.
Next Gen at UHN!